Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about what I am going to tell you how can you write equations on Microsoft PowerPoint. For example, I am taking this slide design, or for example I am taking this slide design. So how can you write the equations? Let me tell you. And for example, first of all I am writing here solution. I am giving you examples how do I make my presentations impressive. So for example, I am going to write the equation here. So how can I write it down? First of all, I want to write, for example, I am going to sum up the moment. So how can I sum up the moment? So first I have to go in the insert tab and I am going to select it symbol. And I want to this summation sign and I will put it here. So this will come here. And for example, I have to provide that summation of the moment at A. For example, I'm going to sum up moment at A and I'm taking anti-clockwise direction is positive. So how can I take it first? Tell you. So for example, I'm writing it here like this, and I want to write this A should be capital. So I am going to select this capital or small you want to take it. For example, I have taken the design slide is that one which I am getting the smaller values. So I am going to select this one and I am writing capital A here, and I am going to, for example, let me increase its size. I think that will be more visible to you. For example, I have increased size like this. And for example, A should be in the subscript, so I have to click on it and I have to go into the font size and font, and I have to select subscript. So it will become the subscript. And what I have to do next, I want to insert the clockwise or anti-clockwise direction should be positive or negative. So where I have to select, I have to go into the insert tab and then I have to select shapes. So which shape I want to select it? This one. This one will show the direction of anti-clockwise or clockwise. For example, I am taking anti-clockwise direction should be positive one. And then what I have to select it? I want to select insert tab. I have to go and I have to select the positive value. So this is positive sign. And I am going to change its color so it will be more visible to the audience. So I am taking its shape fill should be yellow. Red is also looking good. So for example, I'm taking it red, yellow, and I'm making its outline is red. So, and I am going to make its bold, Control B. And you can also do it from the home tab. I have already told in Microsoft Word videos as well. And now I'm going to write the equation. So how can I write the equation? You can go into the insert equations and you can also write it like this: minus 400. For example, into x, you should write down a capital X2 minus 200 X2. For example, I don't know, I'm not going to solve any equation here, and I should increase its size and it is become 0. It's small, very smaller. So I have selected this one. This is 2cx. So if I'm selecting this x, so what I have to do, I have to make it subscript. This is the equation. So this is the way I can make it, and I am going to select this one in the font subscript. So it will become okay. This is the way to calculate the equation. Then what I have to do, I have to write down the value of cx here. And the value of cx is coming out to be 600. You can write down more steps here. So it's up to you. And unit, for example, that is Newton. So I am going to select this x is subscript. And it is giving its error, so I have to ignore it. Then I have to move it in the font, and then I have to select subscript. So this is the way I can make it. I can write down the equation, and I am selecting its color different. I am going to increase its size. You can see here I am moving it up, and you can see here I am taking its stepwise color different. You can choose it so it will attract the audience. And I am taking its red, and I am going to take its purple one. And for example, the answer, so I want to put it into the box, so I will select it like this box, and shape fill should be no fill, and its outline I want to make it darker, so I'm taking its outline weight, it's 3 point, and I'm going to select its color. For example, red one is very attractive, light blue I'm taking it. So this is the way you can write the equation. And for example, I want to take different design of the slide, I can take it, I have already told you. So I am going to select the transition. So which transition I'm going to take it? So peel off. So this will come like this. And I'm going to select the animation. So first I have to select this one, float in. This will come like this. I am going to select this equation. Summation of the moment is equals to 0. So I'm taking it bounce one. I have to select this direction, float in. It's up to you. It's your choice. Whatever the animation you want to add up, you can take it. So I am going to select this equation, wipe. So equation will come step by step. I will show you here as well, shape. And I am going to select this one. This one is what? Go and cut. This will like this. So let me show you the preview here. This will come like this. I think you will be able to make equations after watching this video, and it will be very helpful to you. And if you want to add some voice here, sound here, so whatever the sound you want to select it, so you can add it here. For example, I'm taking wind sound, and I'm going into the slideshow. It will come like this. I will do this question or numerical solution step by step. Everything is coming step by step, you can see. So this will be very easier for us that to explain the question or numerical. And for example, I am moving towards now. What I have to do, for example, it's over. So hopefully you will understand it. How can you make the equation or write down the equation on the MS PowerPoint, and step by step it will be very helpful. Hopefully you will understand it and you will do it accordingly. Thank you so much. That's all for today.